감사합니다. 안녕하세요 guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm eating chicken soup, so let's check it out. Right, let's find a nice piece of filet. It has some potatoes as well, and I would like to eat one chicken leg. Ooh, here it is. That looks yummy. Let's take some rice, put it in my bowl. Alright guys, so here's the chicken leg and here's the chicken fillet. I will try both. It's very juicy, very well cooked. Chicken is very soft. And I love that it's a little bit spicy. Now let's try the fillet. Also very nice. Which one do you guys prefer? Chicken leg or chicken breast? In Europe, normally we only eat the chicken breast fillet. We don't eat the wings or the legs too much because we prefer if it has a lot of meat. Let me know about you. Super soft. But also the chicken breast fillet is amazing. It has a lot of meat. Very good. Chicken time. Maybe I prefer the chicken breast fillet. Let's go for the potato. The sauce is nice and spicy, potatoes also nice and soft, and with the onions and chicken, amazing. This one, I don't know what part of the chicken it is, but I will try it. I really love the red sauce. I think it's the best way to eat the chicken. Let's go for another big piece. It's, for me, one of my favorite meals. Chicken or chicken potato. Oh, little bone. I will eat some chicken with the rice, like a real bodybuilder. Wow. Now I will show you how to eat more delightful. Alright, let's try the side dishes. First we have a marinated egg. I'm not sure if it's soy sauce. Let's give it a try. Has a very good taste. In Germany I like to eat my boiled eggs with salt and mayonnaise on top. Let's try the dubu. Dubu is warm. I can taste soy sauce, spring onions. It's a very good combination. Here I have a new side dish discovered. The name is Norway. So let's give it a try. Also quite soft, and I can taste sesame. So I think they made a sauce of the grounded sesame seeds. I think this is some cucumber. Crunchy. And I like the kind of samjang taste. Also there I can taste the sesame seeds. It's very juicy and nice. Last side dish looks like a kind of spinach. Alright guys, so I'm super full. This was it for today. I think it is a very good price because for 20,000 won you get the whole pot of cooked chicken. There were 2 chicken necks, so I can't build the whole chicken bones together. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Alright, I put some hot water in the rice and I think it's ready. It's a very good dessert. Ooh, that was very delicious.